This time, really, I wasn't really gonna give this out, but I figure, oh, what the heck, you know what I mean? Gotta help out the brothers, cause you know why? Smoke kind feel bad, eh? I see the brothers, fresh, you know why? They're fresh off the boat. I don't care, you battle all the way, you take one canoe all the way to Hawaii. You know what I mean? How you present yourself out there, you know what I mean? In Hawaii, okay? So, the thing I'm gonna teach you right now is how you wear your hat, right? When you wear your hat, you don't wear them like this, guys. You know what I mean? You don't wear them like that, cause this is not the New York. You know, this is not the California kind. You know what I mean? This is not the Bronx. But I'm gonna teach you right now one simple move so you can fit in right there. When you go, you grab your hat just like that. See the eyebrow right there? Just put them on top right there. Okay? Make sure you will snap them. The snapback one is the best. Okay? Okay. So when you pick them up, okay, you look in the mirror. So you look,